morning, everybody.
Hey,
Mike and I are on a road trip today. We're doing something a little different. Nice timing, bud. Couldn't have blown that hole out earlier when I didn't turn the camera.
I did lean forward.
Yeah, but
that was for all of you. I leaned forward.
Picks up, sound. It's not your fart while you're at it.
I was gonna say that's not gonna be the worst sound.
You could burp, fart, do one of those things, Anyway, we're on our way down to San Diego to see buddy Tony Eisenhower. We're gonna go down and rape some of his beaches. Hopefully, all of us will. He's telling me that a lot of sand has moved. The last video I watched of his, it was all gravel and rocks, so that's a lot better than our beaches. My last hunt, I was sinking in the sand. There was so much sand on it. So we're gonna run down to San Diego and give it a try as soon as we get through all this traffic. Oh, by the way, my phone charger doesn't fit real well and charge real well. So Mikey thought he'd break out his little tool. He said he's gonna get his little tool out and fix it. Wasn't a pretty sight. Anyway, enough of his little tool. Well, I guess you can guess where I'm at now. Tony's usual place, but you can see the water has washed all the way back up to here. I mean, this tide must have been pretty high, and with the wind, it's blowing right into our face right now, so pushing the tide even higher. Yeah, look at the cut down there, boy. I don't know, Tony, maybe the dog beach ain't such a good idea. Maybe we should hang out here. I don't know, there's a pretty good sized cut right here. And the rescue's about to lose their surfboard soon. But down there, all the rocks are exposed, and wow, check that out. That's pretty nasty. Huh. Yeah, maybe we should just hang out here later instead of going to the dog beach. I don't know. Wonder what Santa thinks. Santa's saying, get me the hell off of this thing. But anyway, look at that smash right up here. Oh well, Mother Nature is pissed off today. Gotcha. Alright, well, we're looking for a whale. And the dude that we were following is now way down here, so I don't know what we're doing. Well, if we see a whale, I'll take a picture of it and show you. Okay? We're at the part where they said the whale was at, and we just found out it's a calf and that it has died. That sucks. And I'm gonna get wet. I don't know if you can see it down there, but they said it's just a calf, and somebody tied a rope to it. That's too bad. But that's the way Mother Nature works. Something else for the San Diego adventure today, huh? Not only am I
temperature's hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone. Whoa, body's on overload. Temperature's hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone.
all those stairs? Hey, smartass.
Temperature's hot and cold.
Send the elevator
I'm
up.
feeling all alone.
Catch you later.
Mine is on overload. Temperature is hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone. Whoa, mine is on overload. Temperature is hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone. It's funny how sometimes.
With this hockey stick. So we're getting ready to go get our ass kicked all over this beach probably. So we're gonna wait for Tony to come back around the corner, and then we're gonna head out and see what we can see and find what we can find. Well, we're going to be hunting in some rocky rock today. Here comes Tony sneaking in the back door. And now we got me filming Tony and Tony filming me, so we're filming each other. Here's Tony.
Here's Russ.
And here's Tony.
How you doing, Russ?
I'm doing great.
Good to see you, buddy.
You snuck around the back door on us.
What do you think of my beach?
I like it. It's just the waves are the thing that's going to be scaring us. You're going to have to keep your eyes peeled.
Amen, brother.
Oh, first target of the day. Well, second target. I got 2 nails and a dime up here in this, close to the rocks. Tony's gone that direction. He's a braver man. He's got waders on, so he's headed out that way, but I think I'll stick up here for a while until the tide goes out. We got a couple hours because it's still working its way up here. As you see, I'm standing right up against the beach, and hopefully in a couple hours this will go out. It's supposed to be a negative low tide, but with the surf the way it is, it may be kind of leaving us not much beach. So, I mean, right now it's 2 hours to low tide and it's still way up here. So we'll see what happens. The breakers are pretty good size out there. So we may not have a whole lot of beach to hunt. Well, I just dug this thing. Kind of looks like a railroad spike. Yeah, it's one of those things. One of those big things. You know? That thing. Anyway, now I get to weight down my pouch with it. Well, there's Tony. Looks like he's just dug something. He's filming. And right behind him is a big rainbow. So maybe he's finding that pot of gold. And there's Mike way back down there and some other guy coming up along behind Mike. But you see the rainbow? Taste the rainbow. Uh-oh, it's raining again. I guess that's why it's a rainbow. I'm gonna get wet. Ah! Yeah?
I saw the video.
Yeah. I'm up there. It's tough for me to hunt because of the black sand.
I would think you would be good up there.
Well, even with the dual field part turned on, it's just wow, wow, wow. I mean, and you dig underneath there,
You want to do this and that.
when you dig underneath it, it just looks like black tar. So I came down here, but I just got to keep an eye out for that so I don't get killed. I got 1 dime so far, though. Well, I haven't got much in the way of decent targets. Most of it's been junk, kind of like this is. This is a tough one, ain't it? Ugh, God, my thing's taking my shit with it. This is the acrobat show of Tony Eisenhower. God damn. Rock.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, suck it out, man. Copper penny.
That's more than I got. I got a dime and a bunch of junk. I gotta check this out. I dug this up and I said, "Ah, nuts." Nuts.
Yeah, that's a nuts.
This is all I got. All I got's crap that's weighing my bag down. I think I have a dime.
That's a nice one. That doesn't look ferrous. That looks like it might be lead or something. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, lovely. Like I said, nuts.
You gotta talk a little quarters and stuff in there.
Is that somebody's phone?
Wait.
Oh, I can hear music. Oh well, you're doing better than me because I got a dime.
That's
Sounds big, whatever it is. Oh, got it. Like I said, sounds big, whatever it is. I got more big giant crap in my pocket than I know what to do with. That kind of shit I don't need because I got nowhere to carry it. I gotta hit a trash can here soon. Oh well. Well, here's a mid-race wrap-up because I gotta get rid of it all. I think that's a railroad spike. There's a giant nut. Could be lead though, I don't know. It looks kinda, does it look like lead to you? There goes the railroad spike and then boat hull and crap. Anyway, I gotta get
I don't think so. See how it's rounded out on the edges like a bolt or a nut would be?
Yeah, but lead?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's a little too hard. Oh well. Well, I'm down here with Tony. And Tony's the one who told me about this. Check it out, Keithy. I got a nice one for you. I'm back here behind the berm. And look what I got. Cool, huh? Yeah, it looks like a snowshoe. Cool. Snowshoe. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Woohoo, I'm on the board again, finally. I got a penny. Crusty ass penny, but hey, it's a penny. Another big piece of crap. Oh well. God damn. Look at them scatter. Woohoo! Run away! Santa Clauses are getting wet. I don't know if it's black sand or not. It's been that kind of thing, you know. Everything's black sand. Oh shit, right there. I got this sucker on. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh shit, man. Woohoo! I can't see if it's marked or not, but what do you think about that? Sucker's heavy too. Alright, I'll take that. I actually have a penny and a dime and a bunch of shit. Excuse my language. And I just dug that. I'll take that ratio. Well, let's go show those guys they're down there. Woo-hoo! Ah, right. Happy as a, I don't know what. Yeah. I was doing my Dominique run. I just did my Dominique run. I literally found a penny and a dime. Oh shit. And nothing but crap. Until I almost didn't dig it because it was in a big black stripe. And I thought, oh, it's just more of the black sand. But I go, well, it sounds a little more concise. I can't see it. No, I can't say that. Come on. Not in this country.
Way to go, buddy.
I was beginning to doubt your beach. I was just really getting to the point where I was just like, man, this is just. I split it. You have to split it. I'll split it.
14K F1. Does that make sense?
F1?
Yeah.
I didn't get my loop out yet. My loop's all wet.
That's a really nice.
14K. Oh, it's a Frederick Goldman. That funny G. The G is kind of wore off, but you can still see the part of the G.
That's been here for a while.
Frederick Goldman.
Well done. Now, what depth?
That's just that black sand. But I go, nah, it sounds a little better. So I dug it, one scoop, and I kicked it, and then I was going over here. And I looked, and I could see the lit ring laying there, and I took this off, and
Well done.
yeah, I'm on. Well, now the day is complete.
You know what? It's not the fact. You know, it actually does complete your day. Aggressive can be just great. You just relax.
Look, and it fits.
That is correct, man. Let me see that again. It's got to be, maybe 7, 8 grams. 7, 8 grams, something like that. Yeah.
Good weight. It's thick. Am I still? Yep, I'm still recording. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Thank you, Tony. Well, after the excitement of my finding my ring, it's back to the norm. Another one of these things. Oh well. I'm still happy. My battery pooped out. In the meantime, I've dug a penny, a nickel, and a euro coin, 10-cent euro. But I came down here and I'm getting a little more targets. But it's I had to do a battery change.
My dog. That's my dog, Ruffle.
That's your dog?
Yeah.
Tony got another dog tag and a sucky jamama. $1. He's doing all right on the coins. I'm doing all right on the iron. I got a lot of big chunks of iron. I already had to go to the trash can. I did find a spoon. I didn't show that to the guys on the camera. Not that it's no big deal. I got this contraption.
You showed me that thing.
No, I just got this way down there.
Oh, you did the count.
Ah!
Stay.
San Diego is relentless down here, man.
Well, it is today.
Every time I start to get warm, I wouldn't pay attention, and the next thing you know, boom, here comes the next big one.
And I got a baby spoon. See, I didn't show you. Little baby spoon.
Oh, that could be silver, dude.
I don't know. It's got paint on it. Got some writing, but I'm too blind to see it.
Very nice.
Now I can eat my soup tonight.
Everybody ought to have at least one or two of those suckers.
That's something right there. Stainless junk or something. By the way, who would paint a spoon brown? Or you think that just turned that way?
I think they probably were using it to stir paint.
They could have.
That would be
A small jar. The same guy that was using your shield.
right. What the hell is that thing?
I have no idea. Let's see if I can get this one dug before the tide kills me. Oh. One scuba. Oh God! A penny. Woohoo! Another penny. Huh. Well, what the hell? Whatever it is embedded, and I don't think it's good. I got it out. Whatever the hell it is, I got it out. Ugh. I missed it. Ooh, it's a big sinker. Oh boy. Gotta love that. Big flat piece of gray matter. Ah, well, glad I busted my ass for that. Oh well. See what I find next. I think I might have found silver. It looks like a silver spoon. I have to test that, but I think that's a piece of silver. Alright. Way down in that damn hole right there. Well, I hit a rock.
There it is. Look at that guy.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do the
Yeah, the tin foil like baking soda thing.
Well, I got a penny. Well, I had to turn it back on. I finally have a quarter. As I was getting ready to walk up the ramp right there, finally ended up with a quarter. Ooh. Things are looking up. Oh shit, I gotta go. That's it for me. I'm done. See you at the wrap up this time. Good night, boys.
Beautiful day. Good friends, good weather. Nice cut. And I just agree with the
did find a quarter finally. I think we'll do a wrap up on your bumper. We'll go clean up and wrap it up on your bumper.